Good morning, John. I recently, noticed, as you do, that my glasses were disgustingly filthy. Usually when I notice this, I will just go about my day. And that's what I did. And then later I realized that they were still super filthy. And then a day after that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna clean my glasses. But then I had a thought. What exactly is on them? What is all that stuff? And I also realized that I have a microscope. And so I continued to not wash my glasses for 7 full days. And so now it is time for me to show you what is it? Just what is it? Because I can do that. Because I have a microscope.
Let's go! Warning from Hank from the future. What you are about to see is not great.
Oh, green! Why is it green? The mucus.
Okay, well there's a big something. What's that?
Why is it a color? Those are all just like individual little dots of grease.
That down there is a skin cell. Ooh, wow. Oh God. Is that a hair? That must be a hair with just some sebaceous stuff on it. You can see the scratches on my lens too. That's interesting. Mostly I'd guess that these are skin cells or just like flakes of skin, I think is what's happening. And then hairs. That's a big scratch. So one thing that I'm gonna try now with one side is to actually put a slide cover on. And you know, it's roughly the same as what we were looking at. Oh gosh, just flakes of skin. Lots of flakes of skin. Oh, that's definitely a fiber. Jeez. What is happening? How is that even stuck? I mean, I guess it's tiny. It's this tiny little thread that came off of some of my clothes or a bed sheet or something. Oh, that's a big ol' hair. Whoa, it's huge. Oh my God. What? How is that on my glasses? We need some anti-stick technology on glasses, you guys. I'm so sorry to everyone in my family for never cleaning my glasses. And I'm so sorry to all of you for like subjecting you to my face boogers. And you know, a similar story on this lens. Skin cells aplenty, just flakes of skin, occasional threads and hairs, and lots and lots and lots of globs of oil. Here's another hair for it, a thread for you. What? Those are salt crystals, I think. I'm just guessing, but they look too rectangular to be organic. A drop of sweat that dried up, maybe. That's kind of cool. Ah, I hate it! It's like the frickin' surface of Mercury up in here. The thing I didn't expect was all of the globs of oil. Admittedly, I haven't washed these glasses in a week. Does it just leap off of my face? Oh my God, we are factories. We make so much stuff with our bodies, and it is upsetting. Oh, I have to go shoot SciShow. No, terrible, and I have to clean my glasses in order to do it. Do you think that's an eyelash? It's tiny. It's probably an eyelash. Oh God, I'm gonna get some soap and water, and I'm gonna clean these boys out right now. Oh Lord, well, John, oh, there's still a slide cover on that one. Wow, glad it didn't go in my eye. Remember to clean your glasses. And that's really the whole moral of this story. I'm so glad that we got to learn these things together today. I'll see you on Tuesday. Whoa, okay. That's why there's a sandbag on there.